In example 2, we're going to write the equation of the line in slope-intercept form based on the graph. We've got a few of them to do. So we have this line right here. There's two things we need. We need to find the y-intercept, and we also need to find the slope. I like to find the y-intercept first. It really doesn't matter which one you do. But the y-intercept for this one is 0, 1. It's just the point where the graph crosses the y-axis. To find the slope, you can pick any 2 points. For this one, we're going up 4 and right 2. So the slope is rise over run, and 4 divided by 2 is 2. We can now write our slope-intercept form of this line. The slope is 2, the y-intercept is 0, 1, and we're only going to use this 1 right here. This one's a little bit different. The slope here is 0. The slope of any horizontal line is 0. And the y-intercept is right here at 0, 3. So there's our y-intercept. To write the slope-intercept form, slope is 0, up 3. And we usually don't even write the 0x because 0 times any number is 0. And that piece will always be, well, nothing, and y will always be 3. So this is the preferred form, even though the slope is 0, and you can write it like this. Any horizontal line, y is equal to a number. A couple more here. We've got C and D. So we're going to identify the y-intercept. The y-intercept is 0, 4. The slope of this line, you could pick any 2 points, doesn't really matter. So that's down 2, right 2. So the slope will be rise over run, or the change in y over the change in x, and negative 2 divided by positive 2 is negative 1. To write our slope-intercept form, we'll write the slope next to the x, it's a coefficient, and we'll put our y-intercept here, plus 4. The preferred way to write this is not to write a 1 or a negative 1 times a variable. We'll just write negative x plus 4. It's understood that the 1 is there, but 1 times anything is just that same thing. We definitely want to include the negative sign though. With the next one, it looks like we have a y-intercept of 0, negative 3. The slope, we can pick any 2 points. Let's pick just this one for grins. So we're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So the rise is 6, and the run is 3. 6 divided by 3 is 2. That's the slope. Slope-intercept form, y is equal to 2x minus 3.